Welcome back to my channel. And today we're making beef and cheesy empanadas. Now, my beef is already kind of pre-cooked, and what I normally do is go to these wholesale places and buy a couple pounds of whatever it is, beef, chicken, fish, and I try to pretty much kind of cook them in batches. So whatever I need them for, I could just pull them out. And this time I pulled out my ground beef that was cooked for my empanadas, and I have my fresh mozzarella cheese to go with that. And as opposed to frying it, we're going to save on the calories. We're going to air fry it, and I'm going to spray my cooking spray on it so it can have that fried appearance without all the calories. So come on, let's make some empanadas, because it is a kiss to my part of my Hispanic heritage. Here are a list of ingredients. So this is my ground meat that I had already cooked up, some onions and some garlic, fresh mozzarella cheese, our cooking spray to go on top of our empanada dough. Here are our vitamin content for our beef and cheesy empanada. We have our ground beef, which is vitamins B6, B12, iron, selenium, and zinc. Empanada, calcium, potassium, iron, and small amounts of vitamin B. We have onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium, garlic, B6, C, manganese, and selenium, and mozzarella cheese, C, folate, and potassium. Let's see. So, here is my dough. Nice big pieces of beef here, pre-cooked up. And let me add some mozzarella. Okay, let me close this, stretch it on over. So my rolling pin, like I told you, I couldn't find it, and the bottle didn't work for me. So I decided to just gently, almost like you have a pizza dough, gently kind of stretch it with my hands to kind of extend the dough, because I do need to extend it to be able to fold it over. So just gently stretch this, but I don't want it to rip. Again, almost like how you're working with a pizza dough. This is the empanada dough, which is much smaller, but same type of concept. Okay, this one's a little ripping right here. So, okay, there we go. So I'm gonna put down some cheese here. So I just leave some, I just try to kind of get it a little bit right below the center, tiny bit below the center, so I can have this for the crimping process. Some mozzarella cheese here. I love mozzarella cheese, but it does give off a lot of, I mean the fresh one, you know, not the processed one, a lot of like water, milk. It's the only thing. And I always say your hands are your best tools. So I'm putting down some, this is actually some ground beef and turkey sausage that I had. Again, I told you, I try to take care of all my meats in bulk, you know, because you just never know. Time is really, you know, precious for everyone, and everyone's busy, and, you know, we all get caught up, and I never know what I want to make. And at least if I have the meat kind of like pre-cooked in batch, well, it allows me to have more variety to do and spend less about buying things outside to eat. So let's get this covered over. How to get this covered over here. seal it first with like a pinch with my hand, and then I'm gonna use a fork to kind of close it. To kind of seal it. Okay, I'm gonna close it some more over here. So I will close it some more, seal it some more. Go ahead. So you want to spray this top and bottom. Okay. Even with it right here, I just kind of want to make sure it's sprayed well. This is kind of open. Let's see if I can close that. Okay. Put this here. Okay. I'm just spraying this right here. Putting inside the silicone. Here is our beef and cheese empanada. Not bad for something that's air fried. So at least it's healthier. Watch the calories with it being air fried. Well, we've done it. We've done an air fried beef and cheese empanada. Now, let me say this to you. Most empanadas are baked or they're fried. So this is a little different, air frying it. Now, it looks pretty. Now, of course, we know anything that's fried is usually a little bit more decadent in tasting and better. Not necessarily healthier for you, but definitely, tastes better, right? So I think this is a great substitute. It's not gonna taste like it's fried because it's not, but even though it has like fried appearance somewhat, but I think the fact that it's less calories will make up for the fact that it's not with that fried decadentness. So let's try the empanada. Let me break it and let's see inside of it. Oh, let's see. There's the cheese. There's our cheese. A little cheese pull. There we go. It is very good. It's definitely not with that fried taste that you normally would have, but for something that's air fried, it's very good. I would do it like this over and over and over and over again. Help keep the whole family healthier. Now, I'm not knocking you. If you want to continually fry your empanada, go ahead and do so, baby. I'm not here to bust your bubble. I'm just telling you, for me and mine, we're going to run with the air frying empanada. because it's definitely good. It would have been great though if I had made like a chipotle, sauce or something. But it works. Absolutely, positively works. So, here's our call to action. Don't click off without clicking the like button first. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe please. And hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. And if you're new to this channel, let me tell you, honey, welcome. I welcome you here with open arms and a great big hug. And I want to thank you for hanging out with me today, watching me make this cheesy empanada. You know my little struggle that I had originally earlier with not finding a rolling pin and just having to use my hands. That's why I tell you, your hands are your best tools always. If you make your empanada a different way, or you've made some other air fried empanada with other filling, let me know below. Comment below. I do answer the comments. So let me tell you that. Don't forget, be good to yourself. And health is wealth. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah.